a feeling.
Let's welcome Christian as he performs Maroon 5's Payphone.
Hi West Africa, hi Ghana, hi Lagos, hi Abuja, hi Makodi, hi Kaduna, hi Otukbo. This is your boy Christian repping you guys here, man. Tonight I'll be doing a song by Maroon 5, Payphone. I hope you enjoy it. I just want to use this medium to thank every one of you who supports me, man. May God bless you now, plenty, man. If I don't call your name, no say your name, they those letters, man. Thank you and God bless you, man. At the rep now, my number now 6. I beg. Then I don't forget to now boy, you man. Only God now will bless you now. Thank you. At the rep now, man. Let's go.
I'm at the payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you are there next to me. Is it too late to make it? But is it too late to try? And all of our autumn, all of our dreams come by. I've wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed. Still stuck in the time when we call it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm out of pain for trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after the excess, I will still be holding you like this. All the fairy tales are full of them. One more stupid love song I'll be sad. Oh, I've wasted my night. Now I'm paralyzed. Now I'm paralyzed. Still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm out of pain for trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after the excess, I will still be holding you like this. One more foolish song I'll be, hey, one more foolish love song I'll be sad. Now I'm out of payphone. I'm out of payphone.
Can we all cool down, please, eh? I said cool down! Nigeria, cool down! It's not over yet. The record is not over yet. Mr. Christian, I don't know what you brought tonight, man, but what you brought tonight has charmed the audience. There's no doubt about that. You see, Maroon 5, Adam Levine, besides the fact that he's a white guy, you know, white guys, vocally, they sing basically higher than black people, all right? You challenged the song, you took the song to a whole new level, you made it your own. You're very comfortable singing that song. I see the passion in your performance, you know, you're very passionate. I feel sorry for that babe when I'm seeing you, you know? Yeah, you see, and basically, you see, this is what all the judges can testify. This is what we're looking for. Somebody who's comfortable, you're articulate, you're confident. I didn't really hear any flat notes, so I say kudos to you, man. Good luck. Great job.
Christian, I am so charmed. I know the issues we had all week, you know, working on diction and all that. And then you come on stage and you perform, and there was nothing like a diction flaw. Oh, I beg. Your performance was right on point. You were in the moment every inch of the way. You were believable. Everything about you was... Christian, you surprised me. You surprised me. Well done. Well done. And audience, we have to thank the CMO for this song because it was his choice. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Christian. God bless you. Well done.
All right, all right, all right. Now, if Christian has charmed you, he said he's at the pay phone. So all you need to do about now is vote for him if he's charmed you enough. Text his unique number 6 to 306 for viewers in Nigeria, Liberia, or in Sierra Leone. For viewers in Ghana, text 6 to 1740. Now, he's at a payphone. You want to text, you want to vote for him if you want to keep hearing his voice. That's right, Christian to get the point. Thank you. A round of applause for Christian, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
What a feeling.